Welcome to my world to Saiko by Jounin Kauppa. And we're gonna do really simple dish. And it's a Aburi Sake Nigiri. What meaning that is a grilled salmon nigiri pieces. So I have a little bit now rice ready. Japanese rice, koshihikari.
Koshihikari.
One of the best rice in the world. So we're starting to cool down the rice. This rice, koshihikari, have really much flavor. It's more sweeter than normal average rice, and combine it with our recipe for the sushi vinegar is actually really tasty. Normally, most of the restaurants they're not using hangiri.
Nigiri.
It's made in wood, and that's gonna help you actually to absorb the vinegar what the rice can't take anymore in. So in the process, we are very careful that each of the grains actually have the vinegar on it, because that is what's gonna help into the sushi to have that rich taste, and as well to preventing any kind of food poisoning. The vinegar is like an antiseptic if you use it in the proper way. The most important step to make a sushi is actually you need to cool down the rice as soon as possible, and should go between 36 to 38 degrees. In the process, I'm using air machine, because when you're cooking big amount of rice, it's much more easy to use the technology than you need to stay with the fan during maybe like 20 minutes. So you need to be sure that everything is properly done, and cool the rice in even sections. So you're turning every 2 minutes. You're turning the rice and you start the process again, open it. So the rice getting like in perfect condition. So now we have the rice ready, and we're gonna move it to the rice cooler. So this one helping you to have that 36, 38 degree for more longer time. As you see, the rice has become really sticky, but at the same time all the grains are like separate for each other. So that means that we have a really good rice to start in the job. Okay, so now we have ready the rice. We have cut in some salmon, some Norwegian salmon in slices. So we open the rice. We're gonna take a piece of salmon. We're gonna take around, I using here in Saiko exactly 15 grams rice. Can be 16, can be 18, but 15 is the perfect to do normal nigiri. So we have the first one, second one, and if you like to have beautiful nigiri set, you need to be careful and be sure that all the fish, the mussels, are actually looking in the same direction. The Japanese cuisine is not only about the flavor, it's also about the outlooking. So here you have ready the nigiri set. 6 pieces, all looking in the same direction, and as well all the mussels for the salmon looking the same way. So each piece is actually twin for the other one. Okay, so we have in here normal simple nigiris, raw ones, and now we're gonna transform this one in a bit more like a gourmet side. We're gonna do like a grilled salmon nigiris with some spicy mayo and eel sauce in the top. So the process is very simple. Normally the people will torch first the salmon and then they will add the mayo and so on. We're gonna do it in the opposite way. We're gonna add the mayonnaise and the teriyaki sauce or the eel sauce, and then we're gonna torch it. The reason is because when you torch the Japanese mayonnaise, combine it with the tare sauce, actually the mayonnaise is gonna flipping out all the oils for the egg and all the flavors would have hiding inside, and combine it with the fish, so it's gonna have a lot of umami. So we're gonna start having the spicy mayo, and then we're gonna add a little bit eel sauce. So now we're gonna torch it. And we're gonna add in the top a little bit of kimchi sesame.